simply tired of tossing the towel. She's wiping off all the cobwebs now. Didn't sleep all night, but she doesn't feel weary. Doesn't look in mirrors, but she feels beautiful somehow. Today she put colors onto her lashes. Today she loves her smile, she knows she's not a stranger. Today she dreams what she wants, no need to worry or fear. Today she's a woman who realizes her soul is near. Today you will discover this world is just for you, that no one can harm you now, no one can harm you now. Today you will understand that fear can be broken with one final slamming door. Today you'll make them laugh, because your eyes are tired of being tears, of being tears. Today you will achieve to laugh even at yourself and see you have succeeded. That you desire to be. Today you're gonna love yourself like no one ever knew how to love. Today you're gonna look forward, cause looking back has hurt enough. A brave woman, a smiling woman, look how she walks by. Today the perfect woman they awaited was born. She has shamelessly broken the coded rules. Today she wore high heels to make her steps sound. Today she knows her life will never more be a crash. Today you'll conquer the heavens without looking at how high the ground remains. Today you're gonna be happy. The winter is cold and it is long. Today you will achieve to laugh even at yourself and see you have succeeded. Today you will discover this world is just for you, that no one can harm you now, no one can harm you now. Today you will understand that fear can be broken with one final slamming door. Today you'll make them laugh, because your eyes are tired of being tears, of being tears. Today you will achieve to laugh even at yourself and see you have succeeded.